Gus Schmidt, and I'm back with a new trading video. And today I'm going to be giving a review of the CloseOption binary options platform. I've been on CloseOption since 2018, so I've been there for about 7 years with this platform. Like I mentioned before in a previous video, I've been involved in binary options since 2008, 2009. Some of y'all can call me the binary options godfather. But in any event, I want to tell you about one of the better platforms for trading binary options. It's very sleek. They've updated their user interface here. I'm on the home page of the user interface. I'm signed in. They have a great chat where you can get in contact with them. They're very accessible. So let's go ahead. I'm already signed in, so let's check out the dashboard here. Uh, okay, so I have a couple of dollars in my balance on my balance here, and we have different sections here. Deposit. You can deposit using crypto, Paygate, Tether, Tether, PayPal. What else do we have? Bitcoin, Ethereum. Okay. Uh, Another interesting thing about closed option is they have contests, weekly contest accounts where they're giving out money every week in prizes. They have a public contest running right now where you can participate, and I think the top five winners get some prize anywhere from $500 to I think $125. And so you can test your binary options trading here. They also, I wanted to show you my history here, where a lot of people are concerned about whether they get, a lot of traders are concerned about withdrawals. You know, some of these binary options brokers give you trouble with withdrawals. I've never, in my 7 years on close option, I've never had a problem with withdrawals. There may have been a situation where I couldn't withdraw using a certain payment form, like either PayPal, maybe sometimes Bitcoin was down. They would just tell me, okay, use Tether or use some another alternative form of withdrawal. Um, okay, so getting back to the platform here. Okay, you can look up. I just want to show you guys my history of withdrawals here. I haven't been trading much on here, that much. I've been trading on some other platforms. But here's some recent withdrawals back, I think $60. I think I might have did a withdrawal last week, 78.97. Not much, you know. Uh, but I have 44 pages of withdrawals. So like I mentioned, my withdrawals go back many, many years with them. Here's some more withdrawals here. Okay, here's one instance where the withdrawal, it was crypto. I requested a withdrawal with crypto and $175, but it was rejected. They told me, go ahead, withdraw via PayPal, which I did, and that withdrawal was approved. Okay, so over the years, I've withdrawn with either Bitcoin, which is the primary crypto I use, or PayPal. But there are other methods, like I mentioned, for your withdrawals. You can withdraw via Bitcoin, Ethereum, PayPal. I think this is Tether or USDT. I'm not sure which one. I don't really use them. I use PayPal and Bitcoin. You can also do a wire transfer, but there are some high fees involved with that. Okay, let's see here. Okay, let's go to the trade room here. All right, click on trade room. And okay, I have $191 in my real trading account here. They also have demo account for you to practice. And this is the contest. You can actually trade for free. And if you're one of the top traders, I mean, this thing is really busy. There's a lot of people on here. Let's go take a look here, see what's happening here. Okay, this is the trade room here. This is just the contest trade room, but it's basically the trading platform. And so you have 5 second, 10 second, 1 minute candles. You can trade anywhere from 30 seconds, binary options up to a month here. And you could set your, well, there are different currency pairs. Okay, so it's basically the weekend, so nothing is really available. It's Friday, which is a holiday. So I think everything else is closed. But during the week, you have your regular currency pairs available. Right now, there's only crypto available for trading. Okay. Uh, Very user friendly. You could just, all right, let's do a 30 second. I'm just going to hit a put trade. Uh, and let's see how that goes. It says time to correct closing out position. Uh, okay, so the price is moving. I chose the put and for 30 seconds just to give you an example of how the platform works. Okay, all right, so it closed. I was out of the money. I just did a random trade just to show you guys how the platform is. Okay, so like I said, they have contest accounts. You can also do referrals. If you have a client base, you can make 7% commissions on clients. And I've made a couple of dollars over the years in referral income. Like I said, I've been on there for a long time. Uh, you have, all right, there's a deposit bonus now. Sometimes they'll give you a bonus on your deposit. They run specials. These are the various ways: crypto, PayPal, Tether, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Okay, I think we mentioned that. Uh, let's go back to the dashboard. All right, that's the home page again. I'm not going to really spend much time. I just wanted to give them props. They've been very stable. I've never really there was one time I lost my email and I had to do a Skype call with them, and I actually spoke to a person on Skype and they resolved my problem, uh, relatively quickly, and they got me back on the platform. So I really love them. I really talk much about them. I have some videos, previous videos, if you want to dig deeper on my channel on how I've worked with CloseOption over the years. Very stable, very solid binary options platform. If you're looking for stability, I would recommend them. Solid platform. Okay. Just one more time, I'm gonna go to the trade. Okay, you can do demo trading. I think, yeah, the markets are pretty much closed because I'm filming this on a Friday, which is the day after Thanksgiving, Black Friday. So there's not much trading happening. But like I mentioned, this is the interface, very simple. Up, down, you decide, you say how much money, your trade size, whether it's 100 or 1,000 here, and it'll tell you the rate of return. Okay, so I'm not gonna labor too much. Don't worry, you will get your withdrawals. Like I mentioned, I had 44 pages of withdrawals I showed you. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I'll have a link to the CloseOption platform in my video comments. If you want to check it out, sign up. And I think they'll give you a $5 bonus too, just for signing up. You get a $5 added to your account. But be sure you get verified, all right, in order to get your withdrawals. All right, so I'm signing off. Gus Schmidt here, and have a good day. Talk to you soon. Bye.